Hello, this is Elliot from Victory Charts, and I'm here to show you the VC Trend Trader Indicator Pack. The VC Trend Trader Indicator Pack works great for both intraday and swing trading. This indicator pack comes with everything you need to start trading. There is no ambiguity for entry signals, and this methodology has been backtested, and the entries can show reliability up to 70% depending on your exit criteria. The Trend Trader Pack uses a trend filter to define the overall longer-term trend of the market you are trading. Next, it will use an entry indicator to help enter in favorable trade location. The entry indicator has its own parameters for defining the short-term trend. The main idea is that when the short-term trend kicks back in line with the long-term trend, these provide the highest probability setups. So here we have the indicator breakdown. We have the VC trend map, which serves as the longer-term trend filter. We have VC trend dots, and this is the entry-based indicator that quote-unquote kicks in line with the trend map. VC trend entry. This spells out the exact setup condition for an entry and will even print the entry price right on your chart. VC volume average. This is our proprietary volume analysis indicator that can provide great context for buying and selling strength. VC volume paint bar. This paints the volume color right on the bar so that you can identify quickly what is happening bar to bar. VC volume profile. This is a great intraday indicator used to see the cumulative buy and sell volume of the day. This can and will lead a big price move. VC VWAP. This is volume weighted average price, which serves as a benchmark for institutions and can provide very valuable context. VC volume triple threat. This is the same as the trend entry, but it now takes into account when the trend is in agreement with the volume of the day. So here we can see all the indicators, and I'm going to run through and explain each one. Here is the VC trend map, which is our long-term trend filter, and there are 5 colors that it will output. Green signals a strong uptrend, red is a strong downtrend. Next is dark green, which is a minor uptrend, and dark red, which is a minor downtrend. The last color is white, which signifies no trend. The next indicator is the VC trend dots. This is our shorter term indicator designed to trade within the ebbs and flows of the market. Green is an uptrend, red is a downtrend, and white is either a pullback in a trend or a transition phase from an uptrend to a downtrend, or vice versa. Here we can see the VC trend entry signals. They appear at the bottom of the bar for shorts and at the top for longs. There is also an option to turn on the price text if you want the entry price to be printed on the chart. This is especially useful in fast-moving markets. Our VC volume is calculated using proprietary equations to find buy and sell volume. It is excellent for seeing capitulation moves and can really help to anticipate big moves. Here you can see the volume. Here we can see VC volume paint bar paints the volume calculation right on the bar, so you don't have to refer to the volume below. The next indicator we will look at is the VC volume profile. This shows the cumulative buy and sell volume. It is very useful to see who has control for the day and can provide great context. This can show you when there is volume behind a big move. It can also show you when volume is starting to come out of a move. This can be a predictive tool and is a great addition to any intraday chart. Here we can see that the dominant volume of the day was selling, and in crude oil did sell off all day. Here we can see VWAP. After a sharp move up in the market, price comes all the way back to VWAP before it sells off, right here. Then you can see it will return to VWAP before it sells off again. The last indicator is the VC volume triple threat. This shows added confirmation for a trade. The signal only appears when the trend map, trend dots, and volume profile are in line. This provides a very high probability entry. And here you can see the dots show up only when all 3 are in line. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.